Hi, this is Chris, and today I'd like to show you a simple trick to find a file on your computer. So, for example, if you have opened it from a shortcut or as attachment and you don't necessarily remember where is your file, and if you have a lot of files on your PC, it may take a lot of time sometimes to find it. So to find the location of a file that you're working on very quickly, a trick is to click on the top of your keyboard a button called F12. This opens a window or Save As. But I would like to copy the directory of a path, then I click on the cancel, and then if I go to this window over here, I paste, click enter, and I'm directly in the file, and then I can add it as an attachment to my files. So thank you for your attention. I hope that was useful. If the video was useful for you, click a like button to let me know, and subscribe if you wish. I wish you a nice day.